In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search Yahoo Mail by date. By the end, you'll know exactly how to zero in on messages from a specific day, week, or custom range, which is especially helpful when you remember when an email arrived, but not the exact subject or sender. Start on your Yahoo Mail page, signed into your account, with your inbox open. The layout can vary slightly depending on your screen size, but you should see your folders on the left and your messages in the main panel. Give the page a second to finish loading so the search tools appear as expected. Move to the search bar at the very top of the page. This is the universal search field in Yahoo Mail. You can use it to find messages across your inbox, sent mail, and other folders. If you already know a keyword or a sender, you can type that here. For today's task, we're focusing on the date filter, which helps you narrow results with precision. Look just beside the search icon for the advanced option and click it. This opens a panel or drop-down with additional filters. Advanced search gives you more control, letting you refine by fields like sender, recipient, folder, and, most importantly for this tutorial, date. If you don't immediately see the advanced option, try maximizing your browser window or reducing your zoom level slightly so the full toolbar is visible. Now click Date and choose the time period you want. You'll typically see quick selections such as today, yesterday, last 7 days, or last 30 days, plus an option for a custom range. If you're hunting for messages from a very specific period, select the custom range and pick your start and end dates from the calendar. After you make your selection, your search results will refresh to show only the emails that fall within that window. If nothing appears, try broadening the range or confirming you're in the right folder. A few helpful tips as you refine. You can combine the date filter with a keyword in the search bar to pinpoint. For example, all invoices from last month. If results feel incomplete, check whether filters like trash or spam are included or excluded in the advanced panel. Searches use your account's time zone, so messages near midnight might appear on the adjacent date. And if the list takes a moment to populate, that's normal when scanning a large mailbox. When you're done, clear the search by clicking the X in the search bar so your full inbox view returns. That's all there is to it. Using advanced search with the date filter makes finding emails by time frame quick and reliable.